Hi everyone! If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel, guys. So you probably noticed my face is missing a little bit of makeup, and it's because today we're gonna be creating a makeup look. So I decided to reach out to my neglected palettes because for some reason some of the palettes I stopped using. Probably have too many, that's the truth. Oh well, so today I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Flawless Free palette. And the reason is because I think that this palette is actually the best of all the flawless palettes, because like Makeup Revolution has quite a few flawless palettes, if you know. I have at least 4. So I think this is my favorite. Not only that it has 32 colors, it's a dupe for the Anastasia Modern Renaissance, if you don't know this yet, but I'm pretty sure you know this already. I used this in quite a few of my videos before and I created makeup looks, but today I have a strawberry lemonade on my mind, so I think we're gonna concentrate with these colors in here to create the strawberry lemonade makeup look. So I think without any further ado, we should just start, right? So as you see, I already prepped and primed my eyelids because my skin is super oily. You probably know this already. And my eyelids are oily too, so I need to do that prior applying any makeup. This makeup looks gonna be like super easy to recreate and super fast, and that's what we want, isn't it? So for our transition color, we're gonna start with this color in here, and it is called, they have names actually, it's called Cardinal. Here you go. So I'm gonna go slightly bit higher than my creases. Oh my goodness, I forgot how pigmented this palette is. A tiny bit goes a lot. By the way, if you're wondering, this hairband I got from my recent primer haul. So next thing, we're gonna jump in with these two beautiful pink colors. So I think I'm gonna start with this like peachy pink color, and then I'm gonna jump in with this. So to do that, I shall take a brush. So I'm going with a lighter pink first on the outer corners. So I'm not wearing any foundation yet because I am thinking it might be some fallout, so just in case, not to ruin my makeup. Oh, I love this color so much. So what I'm gonna do, I am blending on the outer corners, and then I'm gonna drag slightly bit through the crease, just to blend this in nicer. So I'm just packing the color on and blending it a little bit so it's all nice. I think I'm gonna take this pink color and apply on the outer corners. And then just blending lightly what's left on the brush to the middle of the mobile lid. I always makeup look is super easy, as all of my makeup looks, because I want you guys to be able to recreate it without any efforts or anything like that. And another thing what we're gonna do, because you know you need a little bit of a glitter, right? Because glitter saves the world. I haven't used this color actually. I see it looks like a brand new, so I think I'm gonna use this one, which is a bit like a beigey glitter, kinda, can you see? So I think I'm just gonna go with this on the inner eye corner of my wallet. So I'm just gonna press with my finger. Oh, hello. Okay, a subtle glow. I'll take a little bit of a brush because I wanted to blend nicer like on the top in here. Take a smudge brush. And just taking the same brush that I used before for that pink color and gonna slightly blend the colors. So next thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply the eyeliner. That is totally optional. You can go in straight away with the mascara and you would be done. And we're gonna apply obviously a little bit of a shadow on the lower lash line. But the look is pretty much done. For the eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Tarte's Man Eater. So as you see, I like looking from bottom up to see where the crease is because my eyes are hooded. And then kind of do dot to dot, and then I open my eyes to connect those dots. So once again, now I have my eyes open because I'm going closer to the lash line, but to connect the actual wing, I'm gonna look like once again from bottom up, so I see where the crease is. So the eyeliner is on, and next thing what I'm gonna do, I wanna darken the outer corners a tiny bit. So I'm gonna go and take this darker color here, dark red color, which is called Not Today. So I'm gonna take this color and gonna go on the very outer corners, very close to that wing that we just draw, and just basically pressing the color in, not blending or anything, just pressing it in. So next thing we got to do is apply mascara or the falsies, whatever you prefer. If you're in Russia and you don't have time for falsies, go for the mascara, or if you're looking for more of a like glamorous look, or I don't even know how to call it, go for the falsies. So I'm gonna go with the falsies because I want to go with falsies. So I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Noel 14. And the lashes are on. So while we're waiting for the eyelash glue to dry, because I can't go in with mascara just now because it's still wet, I'm gonna go and apply some shadow on my lower lash line. So I think inner corner we'll do the lighter pink and the outer corner the darker pink. So I'm gonna start with a lighter pink and go in from the inner corner. And then I'm taking this darker color and I'm gonna go on the outer corners on the lower lash line. So I'm not going super precise or anything because I still don't have a foundation on, and then I'm gonna apply a foundation. I'm gonna tidy this mess up a little bit. I think the lash glue is already dry, so I'm gonna apply mascara. So for mascara, I'm gonna go with my current favorite mascara, Tarte 4-in-1 Light Camera Lashes. So on my lashes, I'm just gonna basically blend my lashes together with the falsies, as my natural lashes are slightly bit lighter. So I'm going closer to where my lashes start and then just dragging a color a little bit up. So I'm just gonna jump in and apply foundation and all, and gonna get back to you, and our makeup look is done. The eyes are complete. Strawberry lemonade, here we go. Thank you so much for spending your time watching this tutorial. I really do hope you find this helpful and you'll try and recreate this super easy makeup look. Honestly guys, I'm telling you, it took me like 5 minutes to create this makeup look. You see, there's no much blending or anything involved. It's super easy, you just pack it on and done. So I really hope you guys find this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you would like to see next. And yeah, I'll go on to share more videos with you guys, and I'll see you very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Ciao! Bye.